Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through setting up the copy trading of BingX to help you start profiting from all my trades that I trade when they're profitable, of course. So all you need to do, it's very simple. So first of all, create an account on BingX, then you have to deposit USDT. You go there, deposit crypto, USDT, select the network, and then copy the address and deposit. So once you got the fund, what do? You have to transfer. So go here, assets, go to fund here. So here would be your USDT. So what do? You have to transfer from fund to either USD Perpetual futures or standard futures. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you this for standard futures. Enter the amount and transfer. It's very simple. See? Okay, once you've done that, go home page. So I believe, so this is Android. I believe Apple, it's the same for the mobile version. I mean, this is the app. Here, there's more. Then go to copy trading. Then on the search bar, write my name, AlbertoTheTrader. Here is. This is the first one is standard futures and the second is perpetual. So go here, copy, and as simple as that. Let's just say if you have an account of only $1,000, set up here margins. You can set up $10, or if you really want, but I wouldn't suggest that 20. But keep always minimum. And the rest, you don't need to do literally nothing, because what I'll do, I already set up stop losses, take profits. I manage literally everything. That's so don't worry about nothing. I noticed when I was copying traders, many traders don't put stop loss, which is a bit concerning. But I do it just because I believe that you have to reserve your capital. So that's actually very important. For a $1,000 account, $10 margin, it's fine. Instead, for a $500 account, a $5 margin is fine. For $100 instead account, only $2, it's perfect. For perpetual futures, you go here. Here you have two options. One is per order, which is like the setting from standard futures, and then you have position ratio. So essentially, what it does here, you can allocate a portion or a part of your account. Let's just say you want to move in there. Exactly how much I have. Let's just say I have $500, or let's make it easy. I have $1,000, and you have the same $1,000. So what it does, if I open a trade with $10 margin, with 10x leverage, so what happens? It will open an actual trade of $100, and because you have this set up, you have the same margin and account like me. You have the same account like me size. It's gonna open the same trade. But if you have $500 and I have $1,000, and I do 10x with the $10 margin, I will open a trade with 10x leverage. My position would be $100. I believe your position would be $50. Exactly the same in proportion, but smaller. That's how it works. Yeah, so I think this is a good option, by the way. Yeah. And how margin works? Basically, when you set up a specific margin for the trade, for each trade, as I mentioned before, $1,000 account, $10 per margin, okay, for per trade. So that amount becomes your fixed margin for each trade that you copy. This margin is used to leverage as well, which I'm gonna explain what leverage is. The trade based on the leverage option that I set up for each trade, because every trade is different. Let's just say example. If you use a 5x leverage on a $10 margin, your trade actually is not gonna be $10 that you invest, but it's gonna be $50 because you do times 5. Okay, so I'm amplifying both gains but also losses. Yeah, but that's why I'm here, because when I take trades, sometimes I use 5x, 4x. That's my average. I don't really like to go more than that. Depends if the market is okay for me to do so. Otherwise, sometimes 10x, or sometimes with Bitcoin, I even go to 50 or 40. But again, so far it's always good. And again, I always put stop losses, because my margin with each trade that I do, it's always so what dictates that is my stop loss. So it doesn't really matter the leverage or when I take trades. It's always about where the price is and where the stop loss makes sense for me to set. According to that, I calculate the margin size for each trade with the leverage as well. I hope it's not too complicated. I think actually for who it's very new, it can be very, very hard to understand, I think, but it is not that hard. But anyway, yeah, now you're all set, guys. So I'm here every day working to keep the trades profitable. So let's grow together. And good luck with everything. By the way, if you find this video very helpful and you want to see more of this contest like what I'm doing, please hit the hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will really help support to what I'm doing here, as of course I'm doing everything for free, no? But I'm doing it because I'd like to help, and yeah, I just like trading, you know. I like making money, of course. Who doesn't, right? Anyway, all right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.